The winds in Hermosillo, Sonora reached 100 kilometers per hour during the afternoon today. Moments that were captured by users of social networks. According to information from local media, the gusts of wind exceeded 3 digits and were located at different points in the capital of Sonora. For example, in the Alters neighborhood 106.2 kilometers per hour were recorded. In Boulevard Kino the maximum gust was 100 kilometers per hour. Wind spins huge crane in front of Torre de Hermosillo. More than 30 fallen trees, poles, cables and traffic lights that suffered damage as a result of the rains are part of the 83 reports accumulated by the Hermosillo Fire Department this Wednesday. According to the cut at 5:30 p.m. The log of the Swallowers reports that 32 calls were answered for trees that fell to the ground, in addition to malfunctions and damage to wiring, buildings and vehicles in the Sonoran capital. In detail, there has been a report of 13 fallen poles, 13 by wiring, 25 broken traffic lights, 5 affected third-party properties, 12 citizen support services and 11 dangerous objects identified during the first rains. The report from the Alters station is that gusts of 106 kilometers per hour were recorded. The rest between 40 and 60 kilometers per hour, according to the data available up to 5:22 p.m. For this reason, citizens are called to take extreme precautions, given the records of traffic lights being turned off and flooding on some city roads. Damage reported in Government Palace after rain in Hermosillo. According to the report of the National Meteorological Service of the National Water Commission, CONAGUA, for the afternoon of this June 29, very heavy rains were mapped, with electric shocks, conditions for hail and gusts of wind of up to 50 kilometers per hour for regions of Sonora, Sinaloa, Chihuahua, Coahuila, Durango, and Zacatecas. In addition, there is a low-pressure area located in the Pacific Ocean, off the Mexican coast, which has a 70% chance of forming a tropical cyclone in the next 48 hours.